What's stable everybody? Today I want to share with you 3 NFT to make you passive income. Not trading, not buy today, sell tomorrow. Now, number 1, we have Cybercoin. So this is the OG for passive income on NFT. They came out with 1000 Cybercoin. You can take a look. The floor price right now is 155 ETH. After you buy, you get to earn 10 bananas a day. Now, how much is 1 banana? Now, 1 banana is $75. This means that you make $750 each day. Now, the important question is, why would there be a market for bananas? Now, because you need the bananas to do several things. So for example, to set a biography for your Cybercoin, you need bananas. To redeem your Cybercoin, you need bananas. And even to do breeding, to produce baby coin, you also need bananas. That's why there's a market, because there's a utility and use case for it. And next, we have Bear Deluxe. So the floor price right now is 2.55 and there are 6,900 of them in total supply. And each day, a bear can earn 1 jug of honey. Price of honey is not up yet, but with honey, you can do some very crazy stuff. For example, you can add with a beehive and turn it into a bee deluxe, and the bee deluxe is able to mint 0.13 honey per day. Basically, NFT are becoming more like a game. Third ones, we have Anonymice. Now, the floor price for this is about 9 ETH. There's 10,000 minted mice out there, but 6,450 has been burnt. I think this remaining 3,550 is very important because they are the only ones that are able to breed and produce new mouse. Now, this NFT do it slightly differently. You have to stake your mice to earn cheese. 1 cheese for 1 mouse, and the max you can stake is 10 mice. Or you can buy cheese via Uniswap or via private sale. With the cheese, you can take 2 mice, you breed and produce another mouse with a rarer trait. 2 things to note: you have to burn away the 2 mice and the new mouse cannot be bred anymore. So here we have 3 NFT to help you make passive income. So after you buy, the banana, the honey and the cheese all have this use case. Of course, people could be dumping all this like farming tokens, so please do your own research, and again, not financial advice. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something today. Bye bye.